the drawing.
So before drawing, we'll be needing a compass, a tissue, or you can use cotton, and sharpener if you want,
A coin.
and a pencil and eraser, and a drawing book.
And if you don't have a compass, you can also use a container of a lid of a container, or a circle lid of a container,
Or bangles.
Yeah. And if you have a compass, you can also use that. So let's now drag and get to the drawing.
So let's start drawing. First, let's start drawing the circle.
So if you don't know how to use a compass, you can ask a grown-up to help you.
So we'll put like this.
For me, Nandana already drawn it lightly, so I'm gonna trace it.
So let's draw the circle. Then we will use the scale to draw the line. So let's draw the line like this. Then with the coin we'll draw the sun. So we'll put the coin like some part in the water and like this. So the sunset, and there is a sunset. It's the
We are
sunset.
using the so you should not take the whole part of the coin, the whole
Like
part, just the half part of the coin, like this.
So this is the sunset. Now let's draw the birds like this. Okay. Then we will draw the grass over here like this. Then we will draw the land. Color the land. Make sure your pencils are very sharp so it look neat.
Yes. See, nib of the pencil. It should be sharpened.
Then we will draw the land. So then now we draw the alien and we will color that. Then we will draw the coconut trees over here. Then we will draw the leaves of the coconut tree.
I'm very good at drawing coconut trees.
Like this. Draw a line like this. Yeah, like that. And here also.
Look at me.
Like this. Now let's draw another coconut tree. Now let's draw another coconut tree. Like this.
Done. This. I'm gonna just fix my other coconut tree.
like this. Then now we'll draw a little more lines on the sun. Then we will draw another coconut tree like this. Like this. Like this. Then here like this. Then here.
Like this?
Yes. And here.
If you want, you can also
Then we'll draw another
Shade
coconut tree. This. Now we are done drawing the coconut trees. Now let's then start the shadings. We color lightly with the pencil like this.
If you want, you can also use colors to color, or you can use your pencil to shade, right?
Color it lightly with the pencil.
Or your color pencil if you're coloring it.
Now we are done. Let's color this line more darkly. Now let's use the tissue for the shading, and we'll do like this.
You can also use your cotton.
Only for the leg part, and
You can also use the cotton like that too.
we'll use the eraser for.
And if you can see a little bit of black or any other color, that means it's nicely shading.
See? Now we will color the leg. This side.
Like this now? Like this?
Yes. Then we will erase the sun over here with the eraser. We'll draw the color. We'll shade out. Then over here. Now, then we will erase over here a little. Then we'll shade up. Like this. So this is how we draw the drawing. So this is the end of the drawing, and if you like this video, so If you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. And this is my drawing.
And this is mine. Came on it. See? So this is the end of the video, and
And this is my drawing.
this is Nandana's. If you want, you can also, if you want, you can add your name or your signature. And this is mine. So I hope you like this video.
If you like this video, please like, comment, and share the subscribe the video.
Bye. See you next time.